Hi there, space adventurers! Today we're going to zoom out a bit and talk about our home galaxy, the Milky Way. A galaxy is a huge group of stars, planets, gas, and dust, all held together by gravity. And the Milky Way is the galaxy we live in. First, let's imagine the Milky Way as a giant spinning whirlpool in space, with a supermassive black hole right at the center. It's so big that if you were to travel across the Milky Way at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years. But don't worry, we won't be traveling that far today. The Milky Way is shaped like a flat disk with a bulging center and swirling arms. Cosmic lanes filled with billions of stars. And our Sun is in one of these arms, about 27,000 light years away from the center. Now you might wonder what a light year is. It's the distance light travels in 1 year, which is really far, about 5.88 trillion miles. So when we say we're 27,000 light years away from the center of the Milky Way, that's a huge distance. Our galaxy is so vast that it has about 100 to 400 billion stars and at least that many planets. Imagine how many worlds and possibly even other forms of life might be out there. One of the coolest things about the Milky Way is the way it looks from Earth. On a clear, dark night away from city lights, you can see a cloudy band of light stretching across the sky. That's the Milky Way. You're actually looking at the light from millions of distant stars. The Milky Way isn't alone in space. It's part of a local group of galaxies, and it even has a few smaller galaxies that orbit around it, kind of like how the Moon orbits Earth. In about 4 billion years, scientists think the Milky Way will collide with another galaxy, Andromeda, which is headed our way. But don't worry, galaxies are mostly empty space, so it's not like a big crash. It's more like two clouds of stars gently mixing together. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that we're part of something huge and amazing, the Milky Way Galaxy. It's our gigantic space home, filled with stars, planets, and all sorts of incredible mysteries waiting to be discovered.